Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the new Nova NLR 208 lint remover. As you can see, this is what the lint remover looks like. It's a very compact lint remover. It comes with rotary sharp blades and it removes the lint quickly. Input volt is 220 volts, which is pretty standard. And output power is 2 watt, which means that this particular lint remover has a 2 watt motor inside. It says flatly lay down the textures, remove the fiber and lint storeroom. Basically the bag where all the lint gets collected. Let me open this box and show you what's inside. There's some don'ts written over here. It says, please don't use it as a shaver, don't press it strongly to avoid breaking the clothing or trouble to happen, and avoid using it. These are the components of the box. First up we have two cleaning brushes over here. As you can see, there are two cleaning brushes in case the lint remover, and after using the lint remover you can use this to clean the blades. And this is of course your lint remover. I don't know if you can see, but there are rotary blades inside. They're very sharp indeed, okay, try not to take it out or tamper with them because they're very sharp and they're very dangerous equipment. And this is the container where the lint will get stored. As you can see, there's a plastic container, but it's also transparent, so you'll be able to see what is being stored. Overall, there is a pretty sleek form factor, a very sleek design element. Comes with this white and orange design as well, and this, okay, yeah, there's an indicator over here, and this is of course the button that you use to start this particular device. Let me put this back on. Yeah, this is the blade cover actually. And there's also a power cable. This is a flat TPE power cable with a 2-pin plug on one end. As you can see, it's pretty long. It's at least 1.5 meters long. What I'm going to do now, I will connect it to a power source and see if this actually works. Alright. So was it already on, that it just went and stopped? I don't know. There's no way of knowing. Okay, so it was already on. So this is now it's basically off, and you notice that the light is glowing right now. So when I switch it on, let me just remove this cap and show it to you. I don't know if you can see, but the blades are kind of rotating. Look at a proper angle. This is a better angle. There you go. So yeah, there you go. This works perfectly. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Nova NLR 208 lint remover. Thank you for watching.